Kissing in the front of my car, under the stars. I want you to know I'll take this love slow. How did you get so cool? I'm just a fool, falling for you. Don't wanna let you go. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas and love you every day. I spent so many tears waiting for this place.
Hey guys, it's me again, and Tristine, and welcome back to another staycation vlog. Today, nandito tayo sa Magalang to check out Ikigai Onsen Villas. And from the name niya na Ikigai, it's a Japanese-inspired na villa. Actually, Kayabuki Villas yung makikita natin dito. And meron silang onsen bath, which is in Japan, yun yung hot na bath, alongside their regular pool. So, tara, let's check it out. Here they have the Torii Gate. Sobrang dami nagpapapicture dito, lalo na yung mga kumakain sa ramen bar nila, because they have a ramen bar in the property. But of course, exclusive pa rin tong area ng villas. So this is villa number 1, this is villa number 2. Very identical lang sila. So I'm just gonna show you one villa. Kasi super magkamukha lang sila. This is a full body mirror and grabe, nakakatangkad siya, oh. Mukha akong 5'6", kahit 5 flat lang ako. We rented 2 villas, so good for 8 yon, although 6 adults and 1 toddler lang kami today. They also gave us complimentary breakfast for 4. Ibig sabihin nun, may complimentary breakfast for 2 for each villas na i-rent mo. And then, nagsaserve sila ng breakfast, but you have to order it in advance. Bibigay naman nila sa'yo yung menu kapag nag-book ka. You can book through their Facebook page, Instagram page, and nasa Airbnb din sila. I'm gonna link all of those down below. Ayan, pwede kayong mag-picture pala ng ganito, and it's so nice. In the future, they're gonna offer rental ng kimono. So, pwede ka mag-picture dito na parang nasa Japan ka talaga, and then naka-kimono ka. Which also doubles as a kiddie pool kasi 2 feet lang siya. So as you guys can see, kayang-kayang tumayo ni Tala.
Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh,
Happy birthday!
what they say. Take a walk with your ultraviolets that fill my soul. Your ultraviolet. And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. So I wrote this song to serenade the ultraviolets all alone. She knows everything there is.
Binigyan nila ako ng special discount code which gives my followers 10% discount forever. As in, as long as this video exists in YouTube, whenever you are watching this, you could get 10% discount using my code. I'm gonna flash it here. You could book via Airbnb, via Facebook, and via Instagram. So yeah, see you around.
Silence, you're ultraviolet anyway. And every